Okay, this is meant to be a video that's a supplement to the quick start guide. Well, what we're going to do here is ping the Hydra and be sure that it responds. We're assuming here that your PC and your Hydra are connected through a switch or router of some kind. So the first thing you need to do is to check out what your subnet is, and it's different from router to router. So first thing you do is go to start and then run and then command, which is just cmd, and then type ipconfig. Let's see that here. And you should get back a list of your IP numbers. Now, on my computer you can see right there that I have 192.168.1.64, and that's what my router has assigned me as an IP address. The important thing here are the first three numbers, 192.168.1. That's my subnet. Now, different routers might have something different. You might have 192.168.0 or dot something else, but those three need to be the same when you set up the IP on the Hydra. So for this example, I would have 192.168.1 dot some other IP address when I configure the Hydra. Now, the only other thing you need to know is that that last IP address can't be an IP address of any other device on the network. So I couldn't use 64, obviously, because the PC is this. Okay, so once you got that, fire up the propeller tool and steer over to where the CD directory has code examples, and one of them is ping. And you should see that ping.spin is the top. Bring it up, do a run, compile, and load the RAM. And once it's loaded up, you should see this right here. Now it's waiting for the Ethernet to come up, and as soon as it does, you're going to get a menu here that lets you set the IP address with the gamepad, and you'll see that the one you're currently working on is red, and if you move it over to the right you get to another one, and if you move it over to the left you can change it. Now moving up and down on the pad will change the IP address. See, you can hold it down and it'll move and such. So if your subnet was 192.168.0, let's say, then you would go to here, make that a 0, and then some IP address. In this case we'll just have 1.100. When you've entered it all, just hit a button, doesn't matter which one, and you can try and ping it. Go back to the command prompt and type in ping and the IP address you just set. So for us it's 192.168.1.100. And you should see the PC come back saying that it gets a reply. You can even see, if you check out the Ethernet card, it will blink. Let's ping it again. See it blinking away there as it's saying receiving ping packets. Now if you get this far, then you know that your network's set up, you know that the card works, and that Hydra can talk to the Ethernet daughter card, and that the PC can talk to the Hydra via the Ethernet daughter card. So you'd be all set up and ready to go.